This is a healthy boxwood. And this is what happens when box tree moth attacks. If you want a healthy, well-shaped boxwood, make sure to watch this video until the end. If your boxwood starts showing chewed leaves, webbing, and small green caterpillars, it is most likely a box tree moth infestation. In my opinion, this is the most dangerous pest for boxwood, as it can destroy the plant very quickly if no action is taken in time. The caterpillars feed on the leaves and can strip entire branches within a short period. They often hide inside the plant, so careful inspection is essential. In general, spraying should be done as soon as you notice the first signs: caterpillars, webbing, or damaged leaves. In my case, however, since my boxwood gets attacked every year, I spray preventively in the second half of April, even if there are no visible signs yet. In this video, I will show you exactly how I spray and which product I use. For those interested, I will leave a link in the description to the product. In this video, I'm using Boxtreemoth, a biological product based on Bacillus thuringiensis, specifically designed to control caterpillars on boxwood. The solution is very easy to prepare. Dissolve 1 sachet in 3 liters of water. Mix thoroughly until fully dissolved. I choose Zentai because it works selectively against caterpillars only. It is safe for bees and beneficial insects. It is suitable for use in home gardens and residential areas. It is highly effective against the box tree moth. It is very important to spray the entire plant thoroughly, including the inner parts where the caterpillars tend to hide. I recommend repeating the treatment after about 7 to 10 days to eliminate any newly hatched caterpillars. Regular inspection throughout the season is key to keeping your boxwood healthy. If you act in time, your boxwood can fully recover and maintain its appearance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you found this video helpful.